Welcome to Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Lab. This lab is situated in the laboratory area of Mechanical Engineering Department adjoining the central workshop. My name is Dr. Gautam Setia and I am working here as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Basically this Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Lab focuses on the understanding the working of the various components of refrigeration and air conditioning systems used in today's scenario. So and here is computerized cascade refrigeration system. Here we have for our stage 1 we use refrigerant R134A and for stage 2 we use the refrigerant R404. This setup is the air conditioning unit, basically our air conditioning trainer, and here we have the facility to simultaneously control the temperature as well as humidity of the air. We basically start this lab with this equipment. This is a basic refrigerator tutor as we know the students, we first introduce to the student the concept of refrigeration system, so we start experiment with this setup. And this is the heat pump unit. After this experiment we introduce this heat pump unit to the students, and here we also find the COP of heat pump. And this is ice plant tutor, where we see that how we can use the refrigeration system to make ice in an ice plant. And whereas this equipment is concerned, this is the experimental facility to see how we can do the refrigeration or air conditioning in rail coach systems. So here this is the cold storage system which we used in industry, which also uses the refrigeration system. So the whole setup is over here. So this is an experimental demonstration of the working of a cold storage system. So let us look at the other equipment which we have in the other side of the lab. This is the vapor absorption refrigerator unit, basically an Electrolux refrigerator. Here this setup is used to demonstrate the working of vapor absorption units, and this is basic window air conditioner to demonstrate the working of window air conditioner. And here we have a model of air conditioner, window air conditioning unit, so that we can demonstrate each and every component here. And also we have some cut section models of various types of condensers and evaporators here. And other than these models, we also have some cut section models of the compressors, various compressors which are used in a refrigeration system, which includes semi-sealed compressors, hermetically sealed compressors, this is vacuum pump, and that is rotary compressor. This includes all the setups and facilities which we have in this refrigeration and air conditioning lab. Thank you for joining us.